Welcome back, or welcome if you're new here today. I am Katrena, and this is Katrena's Priceless Home Life and More. And you already know, I'm back in my priceless kitchen. If you saw my video from yesterday, you know that Mom and I went to Greensboro, North Carolina, and ate at Daryl's. Mom loved the spinach dip so much, she said, find a recipe and learn how to make it. So that's what I'm doing today. I found a recipe and I'm trying to recreate the spinach dip. Wish me luck. Let's go back. As always, the full ingredients list and directions will be in the description box below. If you're new here, I am Katrena, and let me introduce myself to you. I'm a sister, a daughter, a servant, and a pastor, and this is my lifestyle channel. I love sharing home decor, tablescapes, cleaning motivation, shopping hauls, and cooking in my priceless kitchen. If these are things that interest you, please subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Although this is my first time trying out this recipe, I thought this recipe would be perfect for a pre-Mother's Day or Mother's Day brunch. You know me, that's what I love hosting for my mom almost every year. And since she requested this recipe, we're trying it out early. All goes well, we'll make it again real soon. Down in the comment section below, please tell me, have you ever made spinach dip or spinach artichoke dip? And if you haven't, are you willing to try this recipe? I hope you are. It's really good. Now the directions say to wait 10 minutes to allow the dip to cool. But Lord, I can't follow directions. I found my little appetizer bowls, little plates, and I made this is mine and one for mama. You see the steam? You see the steam coming out of this? Nah, we couldn't wait. We could not wait. We couldn't wait. Thank you so much for stopping by for today's Cooking with Katrena edition. I love when you stop by and I appreciate your continued support. So on your way out, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave a kind comment below because thumbs up and comments help my channel to continue to grow. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell twice so you never miss a future upload. Now I know you love good food and good recipes, so don't leave just yet. Click on my playlist. Good recipes and good food, they're waiting for you right now. Until next time, stay priceless.